Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So today we are going to do the window boxes. We're going to do everything but the coleus. So last night it went down to -2. So that was really cold. I was out here covering everything. Tonight is +5 and by Monday +7. So I'm going to leave it till we start hitting the +7 range because they do not like the cold, anything below 8, which I've mentioned many times. So we're going to go and plant these all up, and I have some beautiful plants to share with you in my wheelbarrow. My wheelbarrow is like my workshop here for my mad scientist. You can see here we have some of those beautiful petunias. I have some beautiful vines, and this is the transcantia. I have some beautiful daisies here, and as I put them in the box, I'll share the tags with you closely because they're all piled in here. But you can see there's a lot of vines, there's snapdragons, there's other petunias in here, and of course there'll be coleus in the back. But you can see we have a real nice variety of stuff here. So let's get planting and we'll figure out where everything is going. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and add some slow release fertilizer into the soil. This is the triple soil that I used in my other containers. So I'm using the same thing here. So we're going to add that in, and the first thing I'm going to put in is these bidens. They're a beautiful yellow daisy and they will really make the arrangement pop. This will probably be the most colorful window boxes I have done since I started the channel. I am going for it. Now, a couple of things I want to say. Ignore the siding. It's going to be painted. I have painters coming in to paint the front of the house. Also, my windows need a good cleaning. I did clean them a little bit, but really I need to give them a good scrub, so I will do that after. But I want to get these in while the going's good because I have a lot of stuff to get done, and this is just one item on my list that I need to do. But this should be fantastic for color. I'm really excited about how this is going to look. All right, so let's put the biden in first, and then we will plant the rest. And like I said, I'm saving space for the coleus because I find I need coleus in my arrangements. They just don't seem complete without it. So we're just going to turn that like that. And I've lined these pots with landscape fabric. These are self-watering window boxes. They're a little wider than the last ones that I had. So that is the biden. I'm going to shove in an ipomea into the corner on the front because we want trailing. You can see the name. You have to excuse my hands. I soaked these plants really well because they were super duper dry. So we're just going to throw that right in here. Not quite in the corner the way I imagined it, so I'm just going to scoot it over a bit. There, that's better. And I'm leaning it slightly forward so it'll cascade over the edge. I'm going to come in now with my gorgeous petunias, and it's going right in front of the biden. Give that pop of color. Actually, I'm going to scoot it over here a bit. No, over here. Can't make up my mind where I want it. I just know that I need this color in my life. And we're just going to deadhead it while I'm at it here with my muddy hands. And it's okay if I take off more than I need to because it will come back, and I always pick the blooms off after anyhow. Now we're going to come in with our sunset orange, superficial sunset orange. Loving the color on this, and it's going to go right over here in this corner back here, kind of more forward. And I'm leaning it too. Deadhead that while I'm at it. Saves you a lot of time if you do it when you plant. See, a few leaves are a little wrinkly, but it should straighten out. All right, over in the other corner over here, we're going to put in the Dusty Miller. We need some contrast in the front here. And I lean it as well. I saved the front spot for my Tradescantia, and that one is going in the middle because I want that vivid shock of color right there. And I'm going to lean it a bit. I'm going to add a Bright Lights daisy into the corner over there. This should be pretty. It's more of a lighter yellow. Like I want these to be vibrant. There. Now I'm going to shove a wave petunia in over here as well. Right on the edge here, in between these. That color should look really nice with the yellows and stuff. There. I'm going to shove a Super Bell's Dreamsicle in here for color. I'm shoving it right on up in here to bring the orange out in the petunia. I have a Lantana, the citrus blend, that should pull everything together with those beautiful colors. And I'm going to shove it back over there. Since I shove it, I'm going to put it back over there. So I think Luscious Citrus is pretty darn nice. I don't use many proven winners, but I do use the odd orange because they have a lot of orange that nobody else has. Now we need some color in this spot here. I want bright, bright, fantastic color. So I'm going with the Shock Wave, and this is the Denim. That should make for a fantastic mix. Now I'm going to come through with some Snapdragons for some color over here. And this one looks like it's going to bloom some sort of pink or burgundy. So we'll just put that in there. And then I'm going to sneak one back over here. Getting pretty full, still some spaces in there. And to make this corner pop even more, to pull the colors together, I'm going to use the Bright Lights Horizon Sunset here. It doesn't have any buds on it. And actually, I'm going to sneak it right in this corner here since I have a gap. Now you can see there's space here and there's space over here for the coleus. All right, so I think that one's done. We've got quite a bit of color in here. There's nothing competing. It's all got colors in it to pull it together. The only thing we're missing is the coleus in the background. I'm going to show you the two boxes now. Each is a little different. I did the purple pomea on the other one and the lime green one here. So there's the purple pomea right there. And I threw a portulaca in this one. That's the only thing that's different. The other one got a Bright Lights because it only had one. And I think that's going to be gorgeous when it all comes together. There's a lot of color going on in here. Now I'm going to take you and show you my coleus that will be going in here probably Monday when the temperatures warm up. And then I will have a complete arrangement. Now I will take you and show you my coleus, and that will go in next week when the weather warms up to complete these arrangements. Here is the coleus that I'm going to use as the backdrop of those two window boxes. I have a good variety of colors here so I can pick and choose as I like and put them in those boxes. I really love the rainbow mix coleus because look at the beautiful, brilliant colors that come with it. You name it, you get it. It's just amazing, the different colors. Even the textures are a little different on them. Like look at that deep color there. So really, really gorgeous. So I have lots of options. I think those would be really pretty as a finishing touch to those arrangements. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my window box video. I can't wait till it's in full bloom and I can share all the beautiful color with you. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.